Why is mobility important? When I'm talking about mobility, I'm talking about either stretching or rolling. So good mobility is going to make you a lot more comfortable now. Better mobility is also going to reduce your injury risk a lot. It's going to enable you to have better sprinting form so you can really get a fuller stride in, create a lot more power, and you can do that knowing that your injury risk is reduced. Static stretching is something that you would do, say, after a dog walk in the morning or whenever. Dynamic stretching is something that you would do before and probably during your workouts. Ballistic stretching is what you would do after you've warmed up a little bit and you're heading into an agility run. Your quad would have a line from your knee up to your hip in a nice straight line. So if you're hitting a line that really hurts and it's like, you're like, you know what? I hate rolling. I'm going to burn this thing. And I'm going to email Liz and tell her to just screw off with this stuff. What I want you to do is go like an inch over to the side and roll that stuff and let that relax and release. And as that stuff relaxes and releases in that ripple effect I was talking about, as this stuff chills out, this stuff will start to chill out. And you can move a little bit closer and a little bit closer. So in real life talk, there's all these different factors and how are you really going to put this all together? So this is how it comes together. I want you to actually schedule this stuff, put it in your calendar. Or if you have a task each day to do, a checklist, maybe an app for that, or you physically write things down, write it down.